Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best tech to make your life smarter and easier. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. If you're looking to upgrade your home with a sleek, energy-saving device, stick around because this one's a game changer. And don't forget to check out the affiliate link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's jump in. So, what makes the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced so special? Let's break down its key features. First, it's a programmable Wi-Fi thermostat that works with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. That means you can control it with your voice or through the Ecobee app, whether you're on the couch or halfway across the world. It's Energy Star certified, which is awesome for saving on your energy bills. The redesigned larger screen is crisp and easy to read, and it uses radar sensing to detect when you're home, adjusting the temperature for comfort and efficiency. It also comes with a power extender kit, so even if your home doesn't have a C-wire, you can still install it. Plus, it's compatible with most HVAC systems, but you'll want to check Ecobee's compatibility checker before buying, just to be safe. The thermostat learns your schedule over time, optimizing heating and cooling to keep you cozy while cutting costs. And it integrates with other smart home devices, like lights or security systems, for a fully connected setup. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this thermostat is a money saver. Ecobee says it can save you up to 26% on heating and cooling costs annually, which could mean hundreds of dollars back in your pocket. The voice control is seamless. Whether you're Team Alexa, Siri, or Google, it just works. The app is super intuitive, letting you set schedules, monitor energy usage, and even get maintenance alerts. I love the radar sensing. It's smart enough to know when you're home or away, so you're not wasting energy heating an empty house. Installation is pretty straightforward, especially with the included power extender kit, and the sleek design looks great on any wall. On the con side, there are a couple of things to consider. If your home doesn't have a C-wire and you're not comfortable with basic wiring, you might need a professional to install it, which could add to the cost. Also, it's not compatible with electric baseboard heating systems, so double-check your setup. Some users might find the price a bit higher than basic thermostats, but honestly, the energy savings and smart features make it worth the investment. So, why should you buy the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced? If you want a smart home upgrade that saves you money, works with your voice assistant, and looks great, this is the one to get. It's perfect for anyone who loves tech that makes life easier while cutting down on energy bills. The pros far outweigh the cons, especially if you've got a compatible HVAC system. I've been using it for a few weeks, and it's already made my home more comfortable and my wallet a little happier. If you're as excited about this thermostat as I am, head over to Amazon using the affiliate link in the description to grab it at the best price. You'll also find any special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub there, so don't miss out. And if you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more tech reviews to level up your home. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.